Are you ready to unleash the secret formula for launching a wildly successful digital marketing agency in 2023? Get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure where fortunes are made and boundaries are shattered. In this electrifying video, we're about to reveal the closely guarded strategies that industry giants don't want you to know. Get ready to witness the birth of a digital marketing empire. The future starts now. The digital marketing landscape. Imagine having the ability to connect businesses with millions of potential customers around the globe. That's the power of digital marketing. But first, let's take a look at the current digital marketing landscape. According to recent studies, the digital marketing industry is projected to reach an astounding $389 billion by 2026. That's an incredible opportunity for anyone aspiring to start their own digital marketing agency. In this section, we'll delve into the various aspects of the digital marketing landscape. We'll explore the different channels and platforms available, such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising, PPC. By understanding the breadth of opportunities within the digital marketing realm, you can strategically position your agency for success. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of staying up to date with the latest trends and emerging technologies in the industry. The digital marketing landscape is ever-evolving, and it's crucial to adapt to new tools, algorithms, and consumer behaviors to stay ahead of the competition. Step 1. Define your niche. In the vast world of digital marketing, it's essential to carve out a niche for your agency. By specializing in a particular area, such as social media marketing, content marketing, or SEO, you can position yourself as an expert and attract clients looking for your specific expertise. Research different niches, identify the ones that align with your skills and interests, and determine which niche has the highest demand and growth potential. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. Step 2. Market research and competitive analysis. To stand out from the crowd, you must understand your target audience and analyze your competitors. Conduct thorough market research, identify customer pain points, and craft unique selling propositions that will set your agency apart. Utilize market research tools and techniques to gain valuable insights into consumer behavior, demographics, and trends. Moreover, analyze your competitors' strengths and weaknesses to identify opportunities for differentiation and innovation. Step 3. Develop a business plan. A solid business plan is the backbone of any successful venture. Outline your goals, strategies, target market, pricing models, and financial projections in a comprehensive business plan. It will guide you and help you secure funding if needed. Your business plan should provide a roadmap for your agency's growth and expansion, including actionable steps and milestones to achieve your objectives. Now that you have your business plan in place, it's time to assemble your dream team and set up the necessary infrastructure. Let's dive into the key elements. Step 4. Recruit talented professionals. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your passion for digital marketing. Hire experts in areas like graphic design, content creation, SEO, and social media management. Building a skilled team will enable you to offer comprehensive services to your clients. Seek out professionals who possess not only technical expertise but also creativity, adaptability, and a growth mindset. Step 5. Technology and tools. Equip your agency with the latest digital marketing tools and software. From project management tools to analytics platforms, investing in the right technology will streamline your processes and enhance productivity. Research and select tools that align with your agency's goals and objectives. Automation and data analysis tools, for example, can help you optimize campaigns, track performance, and make data-driven decisions. Step 6. Lead generation and branding. Lead generation is crucial for attracting potential clients and converting them into paying customers. Here are 3 effective strategies for lead generation. Content marketing involves creating valuable and relevant content to attract and engage potential clients. Agencies can develop blog posts, ebooks, videos, and podcasts that provide insights and solutions related to their industry. By consistently delivering valuable content, Agencies position themselves as industry thought leaders and attract leads interested in their services. SEO improves website visibility in search engine results and drives organic traffic. Agencies can optimize their website content, metadata, and technical elements to rank higher in search engine rankings. Conducting keyword research, optimizing website structure, creating high-quality content, and building backlinks are key strategies to attract qualified leads through SEO. Leveraging social media platforms, agencies can engage with their target audience and generate leads. By building a strong social media presence, creating shareable content, and actively engaging with followers, agencies can attract potential clients and drive them to their website. Branding plays a vital role in establishing a strong presence and attracting clients. Here are 3 important branding strategies for digital marketing agencies. Agencies should define their unique brand identity by identifying their values, personality, and target audience. Developing a visually appealing brand identity is essential. Agencies should design a memorable logo, select a cohesive color scheme, and create consistent visual elements across all marketing materials and online platforms. This creates a recognizable brand presence that enhances trust and credibility. To build a strong brand, agencies must actively engage with their target audience. This can be done by responding to comments and messages on social media, conducting surveys or polls, and seeking feedback from clients. Engaging with the audience fosters a sense of community and loyalty. Step 7. Client acquisition and retention. One of the most effective ways to acquire clients for your digital marketing agency is through networking and referrals. Let's delve into some strategies to help you expand your client base. Attend industry events, join professional communities, and engage with potential clients on social media platforms. Actively participate in conversations, share valuable insights, and establish yourself as an authority in the field. Building genuine relationships is key to gaining trust and attracting clients. Reach out to your personal and professional network, including friends, colleagues, and former clients, and let them know about your agency's services. Ask for referrals and recommendations, as satisfied clients are often willing to refer your agency to their connections. To win over potential clients, it's essential to demonstrate your agency's capabilities and previous successes. Let's explore some effective ways to showcase your portfolio. Create compelling case studies that highlight the challenges your agency has faced and the solutions you provided to achieve outstanding results. Present measurable data, such as increased website traffic, higher conversion rates, or improved ROI, to prove the effectiveness of your strategies. Request testimonials from satisfied clients and display them prominently on your website, social media profiles, and marketing materials. Positive feedback from happy clients adds credibility to your agency and instills confidence in potential clients. Stay abreast of industry news, emerging trends, and best practices by reading blogs, following influential figures on social media, and subscribing to relevant newsletters. This knowledge will enable you to offer cutting-edge solutions to your clients. Invest in professional development for yourself and your team. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences to enhance your skills and stay ahead of the curve. Encourage your team members to pursue certifications and training programs to ensure they are equipped with the latest knowledge and expertise. Regularly analyze the performance of your clients' campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize results. Utilize analytics tools to measure key performance indicators, KPIs, and identify areas for improvement. By continuously fine-tuning your strategies, you can deliver better outcomes and keep clients satisfied. Go beyond the basic services you offer. Provide additional value to your clients by offering strategic insights, personalized recommendations, and ongoing support. Position yourself as a trusted advisor who genuinely wants to help them achieve their business goals. Step 8. Scaling and expanding. As your digital marketing agency gains traction and achieves success, it's important to focus on scaling and expanding your operations. This section will guide you through the key steps to take when it comes to scaling your agency and exploring avenues for growth. As your client base expands and the demand for your services increases, it becomes necessary to hire additional team members to manage the workload effectively. Assess the areas where you need additional expertise or support, such as content creation, social media management, SEO, or project management, and recruit professionals who possess the skills and experience required. To cater to a broader range of clients and expand your revenue streams, consider diversifying your service offerings. Conduct market research to identify emerging trends and new areas of opportunity within the digital marketing landscape. When expanding your service offerings, it's crucial to ensure that you have the necessary expertise and resources to deliver high-quality results. Invest in training your team, or consider partnering with experts in those specific areas to maintain the level of excellence your clients expect from your agency. Collaborating with other businesses through strategic partnerships can be a powerful way to accelerate your agency's growth. Look for complementary businesses or agencies that offer services that align with yours but are not direct competitors. Strategic partnerships can offer various benefits, such as shared resources, access to new client networks, and cross-promotion opportunities. Ensure that the partnership is mutually beneficial and that both parties have a clear understanding of the roles and responsibilities involved. As your agency scales, it's essential to regularly analyze your financial performance and plan for sustainable growth. Review your revenue streams, profitability, and cash flow to identify areas for improvement and potential risks. Create a financial plan that aligns with your agency's goals and objectives. Set realistic targets for revenue growth. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and track your progress over time. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to starting your own digital marketing agency in 2023. Remember, success in this industry requires a blend of passion, expertise, and continuous learning. So, go out there, unleash the power of the digital world, and build your empire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any future videos. Until next time, stay motivated, stay creative, and keep conquering the digital marketing landscape.